Imagine a phone so thin it makes your current device feel like a brick. Well, Samsung just did it. The Galaxy S25 Edge is here, and it's ridiculously slim, just 5.84 millimeters thick. That's thinner than most smartwatches. But the real question is, does this ultra-slim design come at a cost? Or has Samsung pulled off something truly groundbreaking? Let's dive in. So, what's the hype all about? Well, Samsung first teased the S25 Edge at Unpacked in January, then again at MWC, but they didn't let anyone actually use it, just a floating display, as if it was some ancient artifact. But now, thanks to a leaked hands-on video, we finally get to see this beauty in action. The design is nothing short of stunning. The phone comes in 3 premium titanium colors, jet black, icy blue, and silver. But let's be honest, jet black steals the show. It screams premium, kind of like a luxury sports car in smartphone form. Now, let's talk size. The S25 Edge keeps the same height and width as the regular S25, but is dramatically slimmer. And that minimalistic dual camera setup on the back? It's giving serious Z Flip vibes. But don't let that fool you. This phone is still a powerhouse. Under the hood, it packs Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, meaning you're getting top-tier performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just doom-scrolling at lightning speed. And the camera? A beast. A 200MP main sensor, 50MP ultra-wide, and a 12MP front shooter. Basically, it captures more details than your mirror ever could. But will you really use all those megapixels? That's another question. Now, here's where things get tricky: battery life. A 3,900 mAh battery in such a slim phone? That's a bit concerning, especially with such a powerful chip. Samsung's software optimizations might help, but let's be real. This phone could have been a game-changer with a 4,500 mAh silicon carbon battery. Other brands are already playing with that tech, so maybe Samsung missed an opportunity here. Overall, the Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be Samsung's most stylish phone yet. It's ultra-thin, premium, and packed with flagship specs. But will that small battery hold up? That's the big question. What do you think? Is the S25 Edge a sleek masterpiece or just another design experiment? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech breakdowns. And if you're curious about Samsung's upcoming releases, check out these videos on your screen. See you in the next one. Peace.